different candies and different candy combos. So first we've got rainbow belts. So we're going to take one each.
I rate them.
Yeah, we're gonna rate them. So this is what they look like.
Okay.
Now 3, 2, 1. Wait, let's have a race.
Yeah.
Okay, right. 3, 2, 1.
Hold down. Dominate who won. But it was a tie.
Okay. I give these a 6 out of 10. Not very sour.
Very sweet.
It doesn't give what it's meant to be. It doesn't give fizzy rainbow belt. So I rate these a 6 out of 10 because they do taste good, but they're just not on that point.
I give it an 8 out. Because they're really nice, but it just has too much sugar on it.
Okay. Next we are
Trying the hot waves. These aren't the actual hot ones, they're the heat waves. We saw them in the shop, but they was actually too spicy when we tried them before. So that's what they look like, guys. So they're actually kind of orange. They're more orange than red, but they're more orange than the cheesy flavor of this. So let's see if they can.
3, 2, 1.
I rate this a 9 point out of 9. It's because that it's still hot and it doesn't have really much flavour that what I usually eat some sweets.
So I rate this an 8 out of 10 because I think it's not very spicy. I could definitely handle more spice, even if it was just like a little bit. And
I like the texture and the flavouring.
so I rate this an 8 out of 10 because I think it was definitely better than the sour belt. But if they would have made it just that tiny bit spicier, then it would be way better. Moving on to the next. Okay, so next we have got the tropical flavors. So the flavors on these are passion fruit,
Pink one is strawberry. The yellow one is pineapple.
the blue one is tropical punch, and the orange one is just orange.
I need this one.
So first we are going to be trying the blue one. This one is passion fruit.
These ones are the tropical flavors.
Guys, so I'm kind of excited to try these. So that is what they look like. These ones are the tropical punch.
I've said that twice now.
Oh yeah, okay. So 3, 2, 1.
And 9.5 out of 10. It's because I just can't like
You don't like feel it.
yeah, you can't like bite it because
I
it's hard to bite.
I give these Skittles.
I think I'll give them a solid 9 out of 10.
Because I think the flavouring's good, but they could be better. They could definitely be better. Okay, so next we are trying the plain orange flavour. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
these.
They're really nice.
Should I
But
go first? Yeah. So I rate this a 9.9. It's because this one isn't hard to bite now. And it's chewy. But it's just like not. It's just not orange juice. Like orange juice.
I like this.
Oh, it's like
And it doesn't really taste like orange, and the texture isn't great. So I rate this a 5 out of 10. It could definitely be better. Okay, next we are going to try passion fruit flavors. Okay, wait, 3, 2, 1. I thought, no, this is not going to be good. And I was right. It's terrible.
Just the flavouring.
Texture, everything about it. I rate this 1 out of 10.
Me too.
Okay, so now we are going to do the watermelon flavour. So these ones are pink. Okay, there you go.
And I don't really like watermelon, so I think that I won't really like it. It's quite a weird flavour.
Okay.
I give this a half. A 5 out of 10. I'm going to do it because I just don't like watermelon. I give this a 4.5
Because it's not great. I don't really like watermelon flavoured things unless they like taste like proper watermelon. And it's just not the greatest. Okay, so the last flavour is pineapple, but we only have one of these.
So we have to split it in half.
So I'll bite half, then she'll bite half, and then we'll do our rating. Okay. Okay. Verdict. Definitely taste the pineapple. It's like there. I love the texture. I love everything about this one. But for some reason, something's just telling me that I don't want to give it a solid 10 out of 10. So I'm going to give this 9.2 out of 10.
I will give this a 9 out of 9. It's because that I do like pineapple, but it doesn't have much flavour.
Okay, so now that we've got the Skittles over with, we have got some plain Pringles. Now I love these. Layla's not so bothered, but for the video she's going to try them. So for you. Okay. Now I've got one. Now guys, that's what they look like. Sorry, the lighting's a bit bad, but that is what they look like. So I love these personally. I don't know if these ones taste any different though, but let's see the taste test in 3, 2, 1.
I rate this a 7 out of 10. It's just that it just needs some more fruit.
I rate this a 9.5 out of 10. I love these crisps, but I have to agree with Layla. They need more salt, but I'm giving it a higher rating because I feel like I enjoy them more than Layla does. Okay, so last but not least, we have got a dupe of coffee. So these ones are called Mikado and Go.
So these ones are a dupe of coffee. And I never tried them before. It's my first time trying them. So that's what they look like in the box. We're going to have one each.
They're really long. Okay, there you go.
So
That's what they look like.
Is
That's what they look like. I think they look really good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Flavor, guys. You can get strawberry flavor. I think there's a matcha flavor. There's so many different flavors. There might
So
even be a
I
vanilla one.
I give this an 8 out of 10. It's just that I don't really like the taste. But I do like the crunchy things. And I like the crunchy bit. Alright. I rate this 8 out of 10.
It could do with some more sweetness, and I feel like if it was more crunchy, it would be way better. Okay, guys, that's what wraps up
Today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video. Rating
and some first time trying video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like
and subscribe. Mwah.